Oh dear. You've certainly had a nasty crash, my friend. Not to worry, I'll soon have you back in tip-top condition. Not again. And for Jupiter, it's not looking good. I'm afraid I'll have to keep Jupiter out of service for the entire Christmas period. I was afraid this moment would come. I think you might have overdone it on the brakes, Sam. Yep. And the brakes need replacing, and they'll need new brake fluid. The brakes are slammed shut, and I cannot unlock them. It's going to take some time. I do appreciate your help, Penny, but no. I think this will be too complicated for you to handle. And I've already got a friend of mine coming to help me. Might as well go to the control room and look at some of the drawings my friends gave me yesterday for the National Fire Service Day. Perhaps those will answer some of the questions. I'll make sure that I can get you fixed in no time, Jupiter. I'm not sure, Pingy. I'm still working on Jupiter, and I'm scared in case she'll be scrapped. Not at all, Pingy. You can take Venus, but please don't crash her. I'm already struggling with Jupiter. All because that silly mechanic was about to charge me 140 quid just for repairs. Bye, Pingy. Take care. Yes, that's me. It's a pleasure to meet you, Prime. Yes, unfortunately, she had a tire blowout and collided with Trevor's double-decker bus. It's caused the top of the deck to burst into flames. She then crashed into several buildings. Sam Penny nearly escaped, only suffering minor injuries. Sam bruised his hand, Penny her arm, and Ellie her cheek. But it was still an awful crash. A real shock to the Pontypandy Fire Service. And with all due respect, Optimus, I'm not sure if I'll fix her properly. It's just this weird feeling I've got. If only there was a way she could tell us. A pink thunderstorm? I've never heard of that before. What's that? I've just had a report of a pink thunderstorm. How on earth is that happening, Optimus? Is it Cybertronian? So you're saying that Jupiter will gain a voice and a face so she can communicate with us? Wow. Hold on. How do you know about Jupiter's birthday? Wow. If Jupiter's becoming a sentient being, does that mean Venus will become a sentient being as well? Oh no. Pingy's taking her to the Ocean Rescue Center. I didn't know that Venus was Jupiter's sister. Oh, thank goodness. Venus is still here. Okay, let's do this. But first, let me see if we can find another boat for us to use. Okay, now this is amazing. Okay, until I tell you to, when I've some of my team with me, don't do anything that will make the Pontypandy citizens or rescue teams member think you're not just a vehicle. That's brilliant. Oh, I can't wait to see their faces when Jupiter gets brought to life. Oh, good. You're here. I'm sorry, but we need to head back to the station. And as you heard, Jupiter's being brought to life. This time, I do. Because... I'm glad you asked, Penny. But please don't call it a truck. Because it isn't a truck at all. Hey, buddy. You can review it yourself. Guys, I'd like you to say hello to my good friend, Optimus Prime. He's Optimus's arch nemesis and the leader of the evil alien robots, the Decepticons. See? Optimus is a brave and a wise warrior. Yes, he can. You can come along with me if you like, Sam. I know. It's cool that Optimus can transform into different several vehicles in the most daring ways possible. I don't know, Minnie. I'm sure that time will come. Yeah! Oh, same here. Guys, we just made fire service history. It's okay. You're safe. No more harm's gonna come to you. You okay, Jupiter? I've been trying to fix you. Aye. You're right, Optimus. Jupiter, you'll soon be the bravest fire engine once again.